Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the caller tune is active on your carrier account so you know what to remove. Open the carrier app or prepare the ust/uninstall path. This saves time. If you created a custom tune, make a quick backup to avoid accidental loss. Once done, navigate to the caller tune settings section in-app or dial the provider's tune menu code. Make sure you're on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Some changes require network access to update. Now you move into the control step. In the carrier app, find caller tune or ringback tone and choose stop or disable. This immediately unassigns the tone. If you lack an app, dial the carrier's UST menu or send the prescribed SMS command. These are quick server-side requests that change your profile. After sending the command, wait for confirmation message. If you replaced it, pick the default beep or silence option. Keep your account logged in so changes persist. Finish by verifying the change. Call your number from a different phone to confirm callers now hear the default ring rather than the social media tune. Also log into your carrier account or app and check the caller tune status page. Make sure it shows disabled or default. If the tune persists, clear the app cache, repeat the disable command, or resend the SMS. If that fails, contact carrier support with your account details. One troubleshooting tip: network propagation can take a few minutes. Wait and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.